Welcome back. Today we're going to take pearl white baits, add phosphorescent powder to them. We're going to make them glow in the dark. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so you can see here I've already got some poured. This is the pearl white. Just real plain pearl white. And this is what I'm going to add that phosphorescent glow in the dark powder to. You start getting away from white or clear too much and it really washes out that glow. Won't show up near as well. Get a few of these out and I'll show you. There they are. Good old standby color. We're going to make that glow in the dark. It'll take that pearl white and it'll give it a bit of a green tint. And then we'll charge it with the light. And then you'll really see where it shines. This fellow wants to do some vertical jigging pretty deep for lake trout. He's thinking this is a profile he wants. He wants that glow in the dark to show up way down there, 50-60 foot range. So we're going to give him all three styles of leeches, reapers, from the small all the way up to the bigger ones. Let's see what he thinks of them. Okay, so there's the pearl white, the baits I just poured. Here's the phosphorescent powder from Lurecraft. Stock number 340B. I always get creative. That's glow to me. Glow powder. There's powder. Put some in. I tend to go a little heavy on this stuff. That way I know it gets in there well. All the bait's going to glow. Big trick is once you get this stuff heated up, mix it till you think it's good, and then mix it that much more again. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it does have just a slight off color to it. It's closer to a bone color right now than it would be pearl white. And that's just because of that powder. So I'm going to mix this, heat it, mix it again. Probably heat it one more time just to get it good and thin. Mix it again, then we'll start pouring. Okay, so there's the next heat. I try to stir it without incorporating too many air bubbles. If you're coming all the way out and back down, the more you flop that spoon, the more air you're going to incorporate. So I try to bring it up some, but not splash the plastic down. Plus, if it splashes out and gets on your hand, boy, that's no good. Burns like a dickens, you can't get it off of you. Sticks to you and burns. Now there's where I'd say it's probably mixed good enough. So I'm going to heat it again, mix it again, then we'll start pouring. Okay, there's the last heat. Stir, stir, stir. I think she's gonna glow. So I'm gonna pour just a couple of these reapers, charge them with an LED light, kill the lights, check them, see if I need to add any more phosphorescent powder or not. Alright, so we'll let them cure. I'll hit it with a light. I'll kill the main lights and then see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. I killed one of the lights already. Best thing I can tell you if you're going to charge one of these, get yourself one of these cheap little LED lights. Pretty nice and bright. I'll run that back and forth a few times. I can already tell it's starting to shine. We'll get these charged. And I'm going to kill all the lights. See what it looks like. I'd say she's glowing pretty good. Come back in, charge it a little more. Best thing you can do is let these things sit out in the daylight. Get them good and charged up. But just for quick reference, we'll do this. Let's kill it one more time. Alright. So now I'm going to pull them out of the mold. Just going to lay it right on top. Let's charge them again. This isn't any special light. A little $1.99 from local big box store. Anything will work. Alright. Go dark. You see right the tails was real thin. It fades quicker. What I may do is add just a little bit more powder. Way it glows just a little bit better. And we'll come back and check them out. Alright, first test run was pretty good. We're going to add a little more. That'll do it for sure. This stuff, you get it on you, not going to hurt a bit. But I would suggest not rubbing it into your clothes. Because until you get them washed up, you're going to glow. And as soon as I said that, I just dumped some on me. That's awesome. Oh well. Okay, so again, mix. Mix till you think you got it good. Mix that much again. Gotta get this stuff mixed in there really well. Heat it back up. Back at it. It's getting good and warmer now. Let's pour some. We're going to let them cure. Charge them with a light again, see if that helps any. Alright, so we got them out of molds. Take our little light. Charge them up. That ought to do real quick. See what they look like. There you go, we got them poured up. There's just another different look you can give to the same bait, just by adding a little bit of powder. Still looks pearl white in the daytime. Come nighttime, charge it with that flashlight. Boys, you're gonna glow down there. Hope you liked it. If you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. Thanks, and good luck on the water.